Welcome to this special episode once again on where we share the results that we make on our Jumia store. My name is Godson. I'm your host today and I am going to share with you the results I have generated so far today. All right, let's hop into our orders page and let's go to all to see what we have made today. All right. So today is 17th of September 2025. And from here, you can see that we have made some sales. And you can see this sales is 10,000 naira. We have 11,000. We have 18,000. We have 10,000. We have 10,000 here. We have 20,000. And when you sum this up, and we have one more, okay, two more, we have 18,000, we have 12,000. And when you sum them up, this is over 130,000 naira, right? So this is very amazing, and we have done so far so good on this store to have generated this much. We are growing, right? This store is barely 3 months old, and we are making all the sales. As you can see, when you look at what we are generating, we are certain of making over 3 to 4 million naira a month based on the sales trend that we have been doing. All right. So if you want this kind of result, we have actually created a special course which is called the Jumia Masterclass on our seller society that teaches you how to make money selling on Jumia. It's going to walk you through every step of the way. It's going to teach you and the little greatest that you need to succeed. And the course is um, very condensed, but it is just about 4 hours and you are done, right? And um, that is what we have for today. If you're interested, you can click the link below. You have a question, my WhatsApp is over there. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to respond within 24 hours. All right. I'm going to see you in the next video.